All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to build out project number 26, Adobe XD Ultimate Guide. So let's go to learntechprojectfiles.com, click on Adobe After Effects 2022 projects, go down to project number 26, which is Adobe XD Ultimate Guide. And then while that's downloading, let's go to not Photoshop, but After Effects. Okay, we're going to create a new project, go to File, Save As. And then let's, for my example, I'm going to be in Documents, Projects, and then I'm going to create a new folder, labeling this 26, project number 26, dash Adobe XD 2022 Ultimate Guide. Okay, I'll create that. I'm going to right click on it, rename it, Command C to copy. Okay, and then I'm also going to give the project title the same as the folder. We'll hit save, and then let's go to Firefox, and there's about 10 seconds left, 15 seconds, okay, before the file is done. Once that's done, then we're going to unzip the file and put it inside the project folder. So let's do that. So I'm going to open this up in Downloads, go to Documents. So we'll click and drag it over to Documents, drag it into Projects, and then drag it down to 26. We're going to double click on it to uncompress the file, and then we're going to review the files. Okay, so we have Introduction, we have Benefits, we have What You Will Learn, Students, Requirements, Thank You, the promo video itself, the XD thumbnail, and then the LearnTech Plus logo. So let's go into After Effects. We're going to hit Command-I to import. And let's go to 26, grab all the files, and then let's grab the promo video and the graphics that we're going to be using. I'm going to shrink these down. Before I do that, let's highlight them all. Okay, I'm going to click and hold Shift. And what I want to do is I want to put them up here. Okay, and I want to adjust the length of these. So we're going to make them 5 seconds. And then I'm going to deselect. We're going to go 5 seconds in, and then deselect the bottom one, bringing it over, and then doing the same thing. Bringing it over, same thing. Again, same thing, and same thing. Okay, then we'll bring in the thumbnail. I'll shrink this down to 5 seconds. Click in the right-hand corner, hold Shift to adjust the aspect ratio, scrub all the way through, and let's go to 45 seconds. Drop in that graphic again. And let's click in the bottom right-hand corner, holding Shift, bringing that out, and then at 50 seconds, drop the logo. Okay, and then I'll do the same thing here. And then we'll bring this over. And this is just going to be kind of a jump cut in version of the promo video. Beautiful, there you go. So, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.